Hi guys, amazing live to all. Welcome to Amazing LBTV. Ito si Balong, ang aking 10-year-old na cat, adopted kitten ko dati. Ayan. Sinabit ko yung ulam namin kahapon, May 31. Today is June 1. Ayan. Sinabit ko yung tirang ulam. Yan, minumukbang niya na. 24 chicken yan, binili ng friend ko. Ayan, minumukbang niya yung chicken na nakasabit. Ulam for today. Ayan po si Balong. Ang aking baby boy, 10-year-old na po. Amazing shoutout vitamin for the soul vlog. Yang Nishimura from Japan, Madam Mira Norris Kapitbahay.